Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile.
Since 1997, Del Sol Furniture has always celebrated the end of the year together. Now in 2011, we are pleased to have Rack and Red Tag Furniture as part of Del Sol Group. It's been a year of hard work, a year together, and one more celebration, and we continue to be united by the willpower in each of us. Over the years, we worked together, like many people who have marched in the ranks of the warriors of Del Sol. Today, we have a new team, young and renewed, which we are sure will take us to the next level. 2011 has marked a major change in the lives of Del Sol Group. Recent times have not been easy, and many companies have gone, but we're still fighting. We are winning this battle together. Sometimes the day-to-day operations do not allow us the time to say the most important words. Thank you. And that's what we want to express to all of you today. Please enjoy the party, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year to you and your families.